GPT-5 is finally here. It can see, hear, speak, and even remember your past conversations. But what exactly is new in this generation of AI? Let's break it down. Here are the top 3 most exciting features of GPT-5 that make it a true game changer. Feature number 1, visual understanding. GPT-5 can analyze images, screenshots, handwritten notes, or charts and tell you exactly what they show. It's like having a second brain that sees what you see. Feature number 2, real-time voice interaction. You can now speak to GPT-5 and it talks back, naturally and fluently. No typing needed, just talk, and it responds like a real person. Feature number 3, long-term memory. GPT-5 remembered what you told it last week. It can keep track of your preferences, projects, or learning goals and help you over time. This is more than just a chatbot. It's a personalized AI assistant that evolved with you. And this might just be the beginning. Have you tried GPT-5 yet? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay ahead with the latest AI updates.